physics of a baseball and really try to understand its design and characteristics. There are three axes a ball can spin on: the X, Y, and Z. A topspin is when the ball rolls forward on the X-axis. A backspin is when the ball rolls backwards on the X-axis. These two spins are important because they go in the direction and against the direction the ball is moving. All the abrasions, cuts, and stitches on the ball do impart some resistance in a slight uneven fashion. It's so subtle that when the ball does slightly change trajectory, air resistance can change subtly, causing it to veer in another trajectory. When all of these subtle chaotic pressures come in together, you wind up with a ball that wiggles unpredictably in the air, causing even the best batters to swing aimlessly. It's essentially air resistance. As air collides with a rough ball, including the seams, it catches on all the bumps and imperfections, slowing it down. This is where the spin of the ball comes into play. One side of the ball is spinning in the direction the air is moving, and the other is spinning against it. This causes the air around the ball to have different velocities. Bernoulli's equation simply shows that a fluid, in this case air, that has a slower velocity also has a higher pressure, and a fluid with a higher velocity has a lower pressure. This causes the ball to have a pressure differential between the top and bottom. It's pretty clear how every other throw can be created now. It's just a variation of forward and backward spins combined with spins in the Y and Z direction. Something that's kind of cool about this is you could throw a ball farther if you know how to get a spin on the ball right. Imagine you had a pitching machine that you can control the speed on. No matter how fast the ball is traveling parallel to the ground, every pitch from the machine will hit the ground in the same amount of time, assuming the ball had no spin. That's because the velocity in the Y direction for a perfect throw is 0, and the gravity acting on every pitch is the same. But backspin helps fight the force of gravity because there is a slight pressure differential on the ball, resulting in a slight force on the ball upwards. That backspin is just enough to help keep the ball flying straighter for longer distances than just a regular throw.